Hello, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Michelle of Leather by Dragonfly.
And today we're going to go over how to clean your leather items. I'll be cleaning my leather work apron.
And I'm going to clean one of our fine leather handbags that we make.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the tools that I have out of my apron.
And while he's doing that, I'll explain the bags. First step you'd want to do is actually turn the bag inside out, so it's exposing the fuzzy side of the leather, and remove any loose debris that is in that. You can use a stiff brush, you could even vacuum it. If there has been a large stain in your bag, you've spilled soup in there, melted chocolate, something like that, you can actually scrub this down with some soap and some water. Do not be afraid to get this wet. You would just scrub it down, remove the stain, remove all of the debris that way, and then let this thoroughly dry before you move on to the cleaning step. You've just cleaned the fuzzy side, now we're going to clean the smooth side.
All right, now that I got my apron off, the first thing I'm going to do is just take a simple boot brush and go over the apron, try and get any loose sawdust or debris.
And I've done the same thing. I've flipped the bag back the correct side, and now I have the smooth side out. So we'll move on to some actual cleaning. And this is the cleaner we're using today. We carry this on our website, Chamberlain's Leather Milk. You use that one, pour it directly onto the applicator. It is thin like water.
A little goes a long way. So all I'm doing is just focusing on the areas here that might need a little more attention. If you have a dirty spot, you might want to put a little more elbow grease into that area.
You'll see the debris lift off onto the applicator pad. We're using the applicator pads that come with the product. You can use a washcloth, you could use a cotton t-shirt, anything soft and absorbent like that.
I'm going right over the rivets and the stainless steel hardware. Just make sure you get all the dirt and debris off. It's pretty evident on the cotton applicator that dirt is lifting.
And as you can see, this is not hard to do. You're just going to go over the entire leather area, give it a good scrubbing and wipe down. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
I am almost done. Now we do recommend that you are only going to do the smooth side of the leather. Like on Patrick's apron, you are not going to do the fuzzy side. You are not going to do the fuzzy inside parts of the bag, but don't forget the smooth parts of the drop down pockets. And at this point, you've cleaned all of yours, I've cleaned mine. You're going to let this thoroughly dry before you move on to the next step.
The next step will be conditions, so stay tuned. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And it wasn't hard, was it?
I'll leave a link in the description for the products, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Michelle and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you want to get rid of all of this debris that's in there. You can do that with a good stiff brush.
Well, Michelle's cleaning out the inside of her apron.
Or my bag.
Or her bag.
So I have the bag all flipped around here. We're going to have to redo this. And your tongue is sticking out.
Yeah, I didn't like that.